Hi guys, I just did a thing. We're going on vacation. This is the brand that I'm going to be using. Look Nature. I should be done because I really want to come and try on my outfits. Maybe I'm not going to bed without trying on my outfits. I promise you that. I think I seen Deara use this, so I think I want to try that. Ooh! Love it. That's about it. Testing 1 2 3. Y'all, this camera is, I don't know if this even works, but anyways, if it does, yeah, but it's not gonna work for long. I'm not banking on this. If this does work, hi guys, I just did a thing. We're going on vacation.
I don't use vacation.
What is it?
Anniversary.
But we're going away. I'm so excited.
I want to do a raffle and everything. That's what we indecisive between two hotels. We really could choose which one.
Could not choose.
So say, yeah, you know, I got to raffle it.
This feels so weird to be vlogging, y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. I can't tell you the last time I had a camera in front of my face. But yeah, we're going on vacation.
Yeah, when we get up, when we do the sign me email and everything. So the reservation I got to me email.
Hey guys, it is Sunday, July the 3rd. It's hella hot outside, but I'm here and I'm excited because we leave next weekend, officially next week. Like, I can start saying next week. Let me go on the app and see exactly how many more days we have. 12 days, and they updated the picture of the hotel on the little app. So yeah. But anyways, my last, well, not officially my last, but my main package that I was waiting for arrived today. And it's Monday, but I'm not at work because technically today is Canada Day. So it's a long weekend, as I would have said. Well, I don't think I mentioned it in this video, but yeah. Anyways, so it's a long weekend, so there's no work today. So I was actually home to get my package. Babe heard it drop at the door and brought it in for me, and that made me super excited. So thank you, Shein, for making my package arrive on time. I'm about to place the last order for our stuff, and fingers crossed everything gets here by next week, Friday. Yeah, so what was I gonna say now? Yeah, so with that being said, now I want to start my hair next weekend. I kind of want to do a little bit every day up until the time that I need to leave, because I think my boss is leaving as well, and I was initially gonna leave half day on the Friday, do what I need to do, but he's not gonna be there on Friday, so I'm gonna be the only one there. So I'm gonna probably have to take off Thursday early and go do what it is that I need to do, and then be there full day Friday, right? Because we leave early Saturday. So yeah, in regards to my hair, I'm gonna perm it from now, just so that it's not so slick next, like by the weekend time, like, you know. And then starting this weekend, I'll start doing my hair. I already washed my bundles. I'm gonna be doing the boho braids. Y'all know me, I love a mix of both worlds. If it's not locks, it's braids, but I don't want to have to deal with frontals and all of that kind of stuff, or closures and all of that kind of stuff, like on my vacation. Like, I've seen what it, like, I've experienced it. I've also been on trips with girls who had to deal with wigs and stuff, and like, it just takes too much out of your time. And me just want dung in the sea, dung in any water, and yeah, like, I don't want to have to worry about it, you know, just do my edges and go. So I'm gonna do that, and y'all know I'm gonna do that myself. So yeah, I'm probably gonna be inside a lot this week, and I'm supposed to be doing an event. I don't know, the girl hasn't sent me her money, so if I don't get that by tomorrow, then officially I'm not doing it, because I'm not stressing myself out. But I do have a next order that's due next week, so I'm gonna have to figure that out, and work on that design tomorrow and just get it approved so I can start printing out everything and like That I can do because they're not gonna expire or anything. So yeah, but I'm about to do my hair. We'll perm my hair. It's been a while because I'm looking at my new growth and I'm just like, girl, like the struggle has been real this week with my hair. And like there's a thing, like ever since like the year started, I've just been so like into my appearance in regards to, especially like when I'm going to work and stuff. So the fact that I couldn't, oh, I need to pass me. The fact that I couldn't like comb it, so like it couldn't comb, it did hurt, and I'm not a natural girly, so the fact that my roots are hurting me, that's a problem. But yeah, nothing a little at home perm kit can buy. Comb up my ear, put it in a one bun, so I'm gonna look good for the rest of the week. I think I have some braids. I can probably do a little top knot bun or something, just so I look presentable. Cause yeah, guys, I'm just like, when you come to my office, like I am the first face that you see, and I'm pretty much the one that you have to interact with. So I want to look decent, you know. I've been taking a little bit more time in my outfits from Monday to Thursday. Friday, I'm in jeans and whatever. Like, it's casual day for me. I make up my own rules. It's casual day for me. I'm not putting in no efforts. Everybody want to pay. And me just want to go home so I can sleep for 2 days. And yeah. I've been trying so hard not to itch for the last couple of days because I said I'm going to curl my hair. Did that stop me? No. But we move. I'm just so excited for everything to be straight. I don't know why I still look so pale. Like I'm out in the sun. I'm outside. We outside. 12. This is the brand that I'm going to be using. Cream of Nature. Ooh, I've never used Cream of Nature before, but this is the set of cream. This is the neutralizing shampoo. This is the activator to make it work. Conditioning. This gloss and shine polisher. And stick at the instructions and the gloves. I'm gonna get my brush so I can apply. I'll be right back. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. Babe's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Playing, babe. Saying, baby. Love it, shit, you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Taking that off me. Yeah. 'Cause I got the plug, I made the coffee green. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just like you will. Come through and chill. Just like you will. Shit, that's a good song. Come through and chill.
tell us in case my lack of reply had you catching them feelings. Know you been on my mind like Kaepernick kneelings, or police killings, or Trump saying slick shit, manipulating poor white folks because they ignorant, blind to the struggles of the ones that got the pigment. Lately I've been stressing cause it seems so malignant. I need to feel your essence in my presence. If you with it, I guarantee you won't regret you did it. Come through and chill. Drops like you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. I wanna all night. Say it. I want all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I want all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I want all night.
So guys, I'm done. Just letting it sit for a little bit, yeah. And then I'm gonna go wash it out. What time is it? 9:09. Oh, that's not bad. 9:09. I should be done because I really want to come and try on my outfits, baby. I'm not going to bed without trying on my outfits. I promise you that. So, I'm gonna let this sit for a few minutes, and then I'm gonna go wash it out, and then I will come back to you guys when I am done and ready to try on my stuff. Okay? Okay. So, wasn't recording. Let's start from the top. Rewind. So as I was saying, all the products that I'm going to be showing you guys, if I purchase them on Amazon, they will be linked in my Amazon storefronts, which you will find the details in my description box. If not, I will post like a dupe or something similar that I find on Amazon in my Amazon storefront. Ooh, but as I was saying, hair done, everything done. Yeah, right through to get the doll come out. Yeah, I don't think I burned myself, but in the middle of my head, kind of sore-ish because me and the comb, we went to work. But yeah, I was saying, I was in the dollar store. We have a dollar store here in Canada called Dollarama, and I came across this bag because I was looking for some travel bags. You know, the very popular hair, skin, face type bags. I was gonna get those because those were in my cart, but I don't like being, yeah, in the midst of everything, you know, like I like to be indifferent or different. Yeah, anyways, so I seen this and I opened it and I was like, oh my god, this is so cool. So this is the like hanging travel case. So I was thinking to put like my hair products here, or like skin and face stuff here, makeup here, but then makeup and face can go here, hair here, and then toothpaste, toothbrushes here type thing. So that's how I think I'm gonna do it. I'm not 100% sure how exactly I'm gonna organize that. And then they have some other travel cases to go along like with this set, so I think I'm gonna go back and get this. This was like $4 something, call it $5. On Amazon it's gonna run you a little bit more, but hey baby, yeah. I also went and got Babe his own little personal travel thingy. So this one was cool because it came with a loofah, and it came with a toothbrush carrier, and it came with 2 travel size bottles. So if he has anything that he wants to put in there, he can. But since Dad filled it up already with them things, them thin beard and in beard comb and brush. And all of them something there, all this, what on there, little perfume, a bag. You know, I got vacation of that. But yeah, somebody's excited. So yeah, he has this to, you know, put all his little man things in and stuff like that. So yeah. But the other day we went and we got our suitcases. My suitcase was on its last leg. Yeah, my old suitcase was on its last leg, so I needed a whole new set. I just feel like this suitcase is huge, but Y'all tell me what you think. But this is her. This is she. Yeah, maybe not so big, I guess, but she's big, man. She's big. It's humongous. Like going through the airport like with this, like wow. It's like, whoa, where are you going, ma'am? Going back home to live? But yeah, so I got the set for a good price, so got that. So now I have a new set, and it's the hard shell. Love that for me. So I need to get my packing cubes so that my stuff is a little bit more organized in here. And yeah, so on this side I have my shoes and my swimsuit so far, and swimsuit cover-ups and sets. I feel like I'm missing some stuff, but I really need to go through some things and like find some things. I'm gonna be adding this to this. I was dying to get these slippers. I got these at Walmart. Y'all, Walmart, okay? Like I'm in love with orange. So I got those. And then for my anniversary, I got these. Tell me the hard detail on the heel is not detailing for you. Like I am so excited. I need to order my dress, by the way. But yeah, I got these for my anniversary, and I love that it's both metallics, because y'all know I'm a silver, gold babe, but the silver I know would just go so well with the outfit. But yeah, got these for my anniversary, so I need to put these in. And this is not how I'm packing anything just yet, guys. This is just so that everything that I know that I'm bringing so far is in where it needs to be, so I'm not forgetting anything. So yeah, I got these earrings to go, but one broke, so I'm gonna need to figure that out and glue that back. And then I got this bracelet, this cuff textured bracelet. I feel like the textures go very well together, so I got that for accessories for my anniversary night. And yeah, so let's get into it. This is the package that came today with the other half of my stuff for my trip. I'm not gonna show you guys literally everything. I'm just gonna try on, and if I really like something, I ain't gonna show it to y'all. Y'all gonna have to wait to see it on in person in Mexico with my tan and my body glitter and everything, my body hide and everything. And yeah, so this is a like a bandana scarf thingy. So I don't know if I have a. Oh yeah, I have a pink bathing suit. I guess I can switch it if I don't get the hat. I can wear that instead. This I ended up buying 2 of. All because I have a silver glasses that I want to wear, and I don't even know what I want to wear it with. But we shall see. I have a white shorts. This can just like go to like the mall or go for like a walk or whatever the case may be. So I got that, and then again, as I said, there was 2 in my cart, so both ended up coming. No, I haven't really tried on that. I know what I want to try on from what I don't want to try on. So this is what she's looking like so far. In terms of things, this is what I have so far, because again, as I said, everything that I basically bought for my trip, my birthday trip in February is in here, minus 1 dress and maybe 1 skirt that I don't think I'm ever gonna find anything that I like to like wear with it, so I left it out. And then there's a few things in there that don't have either a top to it or a bottom to it. So anyways, let's get back to the fun stuff. Let's get back to what I got. Okay, this bathing suit. Oh yeah, okay, I'm gonna need to try this on for sure with the skirt, just to make sure. So un momento per favor. So guys, guess what? Hold on.
I'm feeling vulnerable. I'm feeling sad.
Pause. So I love everything that I got, so I don't want to show it to you guys because I really want to do like daily OOTDs or like get ready with me. So I think I want to save them and show them to you guys when I'm there, when everything is like all done and stuff like that. So yeah, but I'm excited with my outfit choices. I think it's fitting for a vacation anniversary. My outfits are very cute and flirty and sexy and stuff like that. So yeah, I think it works. Next I'll just have to find accessories, just order the rest of my bathing suits, which I honestly don't think I'm gonna do. I think I'm just gonna more so focus on my accessories, like my hats, because I don't even have that many like leisure stuff. Everything is literally like very cute, sexy. You guys know me already, so yeah, that's a that. Huh? What happened? Yeah, so sorry guys, no try on haul today, but yeah, I think I'm finished here. So yeah, tomorrow I'll be at my desk, I'll be shopping. I need to get the rest of Babe's stuff, find 2 little things will match. Ow. Sorry, find 2 little things that match with the things that me have, and then you should be good to go. I'm so excited! I feel like we reached 50 pounds already. Yeah. That side of my suitcase alone a 50 pound love. Well, thank God me a travel with people that we can fling things in them suitcase. Yeah, I can't wait to be on that plane, heading to my destination. Can't wait for the unlimited drinks, unlimited food. Y'all, if I'm hungry at any time, I can get food, okay? If I'm thirsty at any time, I can have a drink. Well, maybe not alcoholic because the bar will close, but you know, I'll have stuff in my room and stuff like that. You know what I mean? Like, what is daytime? What is nighttime? What's the schedule? There's no schedule. I'm making my own schedule for 7 days. Oh my. So excited. And like, it's our first vacation, like first real vacation. You know what I mean? We've been to hotels in Jamaica, but traveling, you know, like together and then like saying, hey, we're going home. No. So this is huge. Ah! So freaking huge. But guys, I think that's it for today. I'm gonna call it a night. Wind down, get ready for bed. I got this phone case. I think I'm gonna switch mine to it, because this is not necessarily the one that I'm having for vacation. There's a gold one that I want. I actually thought this was the one that I got instead. This is my current one. I liked it because of this. The camera part was blinged out, but it's time for a change of my little zebra. Ooh. Yeah, this is me, this is she, this is she, me, her. She, me, her, me. This is she. Yeah, love this. Thank you, Sheehan. So yeah, guys. We'll see you guys when I have more of an update, or if there's anything else more interesting vacay related, I will come back. Until then, bye. Hey guys, it is Saturday, July the 8th. What did I do today? I went and got the hair that I need to do my hairstyle for the trip. There was a tent sale for one of the hair companies that we have here in Toronto called BSW, Beauty Supply Warehouse. I missed the original one that they have that's close by to me, so I had to go to Brampton, which was about 30 minutes away, to go to their Brampton tent sale, which was only for 2 days, Friday, which I wasn't going to be able to make it because I'm at work, and today, which was from 10 to 7, and I got there at 10:08, and baby, when I got there, everybody had their IKEA bags already. Like, it was crazy. If I can insert the footage, I'll insert the footage that I did, because I did do a TikTok. I did do a video for TikTok, so if it's up by now, I'll include it, because y'all know me, my stuff goes up like next year. But anyways, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Baby, in this economy, any sale, me I catch. My mom tell that. So I got this because I'm doing knotless braids, so I'm going to be needing this, obviously. It's not my first time doing knotless. It's gonna be my first time doing knotless, the size that I'm going to be doing it, and obviously the style. As I don't know if I mentioned it, but I'm going to be doing the boho braids. So yeah, so I got this. This was $10. $10 for this. $10. I could not pass it. And I ended up getting my mom a wig as well, because like the prices were just, oh my gosh, like if I was not going anywhere and I just had it to splurge, baby, best believe I would have had hair for the rest of the year and maybe next year, because the prices were amazing. Like, yo, they had virgin hair bundles for literally $10. I'm not talking about just no 12-inch or 10-inch or whatever. I'm talking about 18, 16, 20 inches. Like chef's kiss. Anyways, I already have hair to do the feed-ins, but I bought another pack just in case, because I feel like I was probably gonna need another bundle or something. But I ended up getting this Remy human hair from Utri. Yeah, originally it was $79.99, baby. I got it for $15. Yeah, thank you. And then I got this pre-stretch braiding hair. I got 3 packs. I don't know why I keep saying 3 packs, because it was $4 for the pack. Don't mind there, guys. I need to wax. But got this. Oh shoot, I didn't even check. The color was number 4, but that's okay. I can mix and match. Got 3 packs of this. These were $4 each. So $12 for the braiding hair, $15 for this, and $10 for this. $37. Yeah, $37. Hello. Okay, like everybody that does hair, everybody that has a hair store loved. I understand now why they do these sales. Like, I'm going to pay attention more often and start getting my hair. I can't go in a hair store every other week or every 2 weeks and go buy hair. Like, me have money for go do hairstyle. Yeah, them days they don't. That's in these times, my love. Oh, okay, so yeah, that was earlier. Then I just went outside to go grab something to eat, and I knew that I needed some like new makeup products. I do still need to go to Sephora. I think I'm gonna go to Sephora tomorrow because I need a new setting spray. The one that I have is matte, and I just don't like how it makes, like, it finishes my makeup. I just feel like my face looks too dry, and I want that kind of dewy, you know, glow type thing. So need to get that. But I did go to my local drugstore and get some makeup, because you guys know me, I don't wear makeup on a regular day basis. I only wear makeup if I'm really going out and if I really want to, you know, just give myself, you know, whatever. But anyways, I just don't feel like I need to spend money on like real big expensive brands just yet, just because I still don't really know like what to really do when it comes to makeup. So yeah, I mean, just I go still buy the drugstore stuff until I'm gonna figure it out. But let's do a quick little drugstore haul. So I got these because I want to scrub tonight in the shower. I got a sunscreen because I'm gonna need this. When I went to Cuba, I did not bring any. Nobody brought any sunscreen, which is so crazy. And I made the little goodie bags and stuff. I don't know if that's gonna be up by now, but if you follow me on TikTok, then you would have seen my little goodie bags. But I did not include any sunscreen or anything like that. And like that was the only thing that we did not have. And baby, when I came back, my skin was like I got bun up and my skin was peeling. So that's not happening to me now. I needed a new concealer. I hope this is, yeah, anyways. I needed a new concealer, so I got the Rimmel London Stay Matte Concealer in Vanilla. This is the foundation that I use, but the one that I have is matte. So this one is Hydrate and Smooth. So I got this one. Normally I get the 310, and then I have the 330 for like summertime, like when, you know, I get tan and stuff. But I just feel like the 330 on its own, normally I mix the 310 and the 330. I just feel like the 330 on its own is a little bit too dark for me. So I just went with 315, which is right in the middle. So I'm gonna try this one out. Hopefully it works for me. If not, I'm still bringing my other ones just in case. Cause I don't want nobody share me from big, but spend too much money on that, my love. And then I got a bronzer from this. This is like really, really drugstore. Annabelle. I don't know if them have that in America or anywhere else. If you ever see, but for Canada, foreign, yeah, we have this here. So this was a bronzer. You know, so I got that for like new makeup stuff. And then as I said, the only other thing, there's this makeup palette that I seen from Black Radiance. Y'all can't comment down below and let me know right now if it's a great brand or not. I don't know, but I seen it there today. I never seen it there before. So there's a palette there, an eyeshadow palette that I think I might invest in. Just because the colors are super, super bright, and I just feel like a lot of the stuff that I have in my suitcase are super, super bright, and I don't really have cute makeup like eyeshadow palettes or anything like that. So I think I might invest in that. Like that is something that I need to start investing in, like the palettes. So yeah, I think I'm gonna get that. And then as I said, tomorrow when I go outside, I am going to go to Sephora and I'm going to see if I can get the setting spray. And then other than that, I just have to do like my appointments this week. My lash appointment is on Friday after work. My nails, I'm going to try to see if I can reschedule it for Friday morning. Just because both my boss and myself are leaving this week, so I kind of have to work with his schedule as well. So I'm gonna double check with him on Monday when I'm going to work, just to see if Friday morning I can come in late. If I can come in late Friday morning, I'll set my appointment for Friday, just so I have a little bit longer to do my hair throughout this week, because I do have one order that I need to complete. Fingers crossed I don't get any last minute, but I don't think I'm gonna put any more stress on myself and do anything else last minute. But other than that, in terms of me, what I need to get taken care of, my packages are coming in. I have one skirt that I need a top for, and I think I'm gonna go look for that tomorrow. And then I just have to place an Amazon order because there's some stuff on Amazon that I need to get. I need to get the film for my Polaroid camera, and I think that's it. I don't really have anything else left really to do, like in terms of like shopping and stuff like that. I don't really have a lot of stuff to do, and I have to make some shirts, and that's about it. But yeah, I just wanted to catch you guys up, show you guys a little haul that I got from today. And yeah, if there's anything else more interesting, I'll come back and let you guys know. I was gonna start my hair tonight, but I'm feeling kind of lazy, and I think I'm gonna go and start this order. And then I'm probably gonna start my hair tomorrow. So I want to be out early, get everything that I need, come back inside, and then yeah, and then I need to place my Fashion Nova order, because that needs to come. I keep forgetting about this dress, and that's the most important dress that I need for this trip. So yeah, catch you guys on the flip side. If anything else is interesting and is happening, I'll come back and I'll let you guys know. Until then, bye. Y'all, my camera is hold on, my camera is a little bit sick, so I just gotta be extra like I've been here for about 7 minutes trying to configure my camera to just get it to stay on so that I can record. But anyways, good morning. I don't know exactly what this is, but heading out on the road, I decided that I'm going to take the camera with you. Now that I actually remembered, I'm taking the camera with me. I have a few stops to make before I come home and get to work. I'm going to start my hair today for my trip because we leave this Saturday. Today is Sunday, July the 9th, and we leave Saturday, July 15th. So yeah, I'm gonna start my hair just because it's crunch time now. I also have an order that I need to finish. I was working on it last night, so I'm about halfway there. There's just some stuff that I'm missing that I need, like my paper crimper, which I brought to Philly, but I know I have it because I've seen it. I packed it up in some bags. I don't know, it's probably on the balcony somewhere, so I need to go home and find that. Also ran out of paper. So I am waiting for my package to come. It's not going to come until tomorrow, so can't really do anything. I just have to finish what I have so that I can finish up this girl's order, get the rest of my money, and be done with that, because I don't like having people's things and then whatever, even though it's early, because by right her order is not supposed to be picked up until Friday, but I told her she can get it earlier just so I don't have to wait for people, because Friday's going to be super hectic for me. So I don't want nobody to wait on me, because you would have to be waiting on me on Friday, baby. So yeah, that's that. So I'm heading to, I think I'm gonna head to Michael's first. There's also a Marshall's, and oh shoot, I think there's also a Bed Bath and Beyond, but I want to look for a body scrub. And I think Marshall's or Winners might be the two best options for me to go and look at. So I'm gonna check there. I'm gonna Google and see what Walmart has in terms of body scrubs that I can just walk in and pick up, and then see from there. And then what else is it that I have to do? I gotta go to Michael's. I have to go to Dollar Tree. I have to go to Walmart anyways, because I need film for my camera. And what else? I don't know, but y'all coming along with me, so it doesn't really matter. But yeah, let's head to Michael's. I'll see you guys at Michael's. So guys, I lied. First place is Walmart. So I was checking online and I seen that I could potentially get like a body scrub here. Not necessarily the one that I want. The one that I want, I would technically have to order it on Amazon, which I don't want to do. I also want some Nair, but I think I seen Diera use this, so I think I want to try that. And there was somebody that I used to, Jai Nice, she used to talk about this technique that she would do for her tuntun, and I was like, yeah, I'd try that. I'm gonna have to go to another Walmart that's a little bit more organized, because I can't see nothing in here. Yeah, but where should I take it and just see how much it is? Questionable. All right, let's find the scrub. Found it. So it's $8.97, and then this one is $7.97. I'm gonna ponder. They also have this. I like Dove products. Not mad at it. $9.47 for that one. I did everything without taking you guys with me. I'm hungry. Hey, one time you couldn't play soccer on me, no? Anyways, I'm at Starbucks. Trying to figure out if I want to get something to eat as well as drink. But what was I gonna say? Went to Michael's. I went to Orpheus Road. If you know, you know. I just couldn't bother I just wanted to be in and out, and I feel like if I took it out with me, I would be talking and taking a little bit longer. So I'll just do a quick little haul when I get home and show you guys what I got. And yeah, Starbucks, Dollar Tree, then we got a yard.
Hi there, welcome to Starbucks. What can I get for you?
Hello, can I get a grande caramel ribbon crunch, please?
Grande caramel crunch?
Yes. Can I get extra caramel?
Extra caramel, yeah?
Yeah, Cali style, please.
For sure.
Everything croissant and roasted ham. I think that's gonna be it. Yeah, that's it.
Okay, just gonna be $6.72.
All right, thank you. Wendy's is here. Should I get some food from Wendy's? Come here, go yam. 6.70. I have 2. Hey guys, welcome back. It's hours later. I don't know what time is it now. 9:18. I'm winding down because as you know it's Sunday. Well, I don't know if I told y'all, but it's Sunday. So let me just do my quick little haul of what I gathered today. I bought the people them some stuff. Now I'm showing it that. When we reach, we'll see. Oh, okay, so I went to my mom's house yesterday. Wow, why does it feel like so long ago? Anyways, I went to my mom's house yesterday and I seen this hat hanging up on one of her doors, and I was like, oh mommy, give me that for my trip. And she was like, oh don't worry, I have another one if you want it, but I was gonna give it to my sister. So I was like, okay, no, give it to me. And I was like, oh, it's such a cute little straw hat, right? I was like, it's such a cute little straw hat, you know what I'm saying? So she gave me this. She bought it at H&M. It was on sale for $5.99. But then today, when I was looking for my little cute accessories and stuff, I bucked up on these little hats, and I was like, these are what I'm looking for, a little bit taller than this, you know? So I got this. Again, I don't think, well, I'm pretty sure my Cupid stuff is gonna go up before this. So if you've seen the bags that I customized, or if you're following me on TikTok, then you would have seen the little guest bags that I made. Ooh! The little guest bags that I made for, or the bags that I made for my Cuba trip. So I feel like the bag is like this kind of brown. So this, oh! So this with my bag, and I'm gonna customize a new one, you know, because you know it has to fit the vibe, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I think this is so cute. And I got 2 like bodysuits that like I can just basically like wear, like 2 rompers, okay, that I can basically like wear, but they're bodysuit material. So anyways, I got this one. She was like, all right, I showed her, so she was like, okay, buy them, because it was 3 for $10. So she was like, buy them, give me back the one with me give you, and take one of them one year. So I took this one for myself. It was super hard to choose between that one and this one. This one is so cute. This one is absolutely cute. And then she got one of the ones that I chose for myself. So those are for my mom, but I got that one. And then I just picked up some basic white t-shirts from Michael's because I need to make some shirts. From Dollar Tree. The hats were from Ardennes. These I also picked up from Dollar Tree. Some new brushes. This is from Wet n Wild. I got a crease brush and I got a smoky liner brush. And then I had this in my Amazon cart, something like this, but I seen this at Dollar Tree, so I was like, okay, let me save $11 and get it from Dollar Tree. But I will link the similar one that I had in my cart on my Amazon storefront. So if you guys are interested in the travel like makeup case, you guys can go on my Amazon storefront and get one if you guys don't have a local Dollar Tree near y'all. And the only people that probably won't have a local Dollar Tree near them is the ones that are watching me from Jamaica. Sorry. From Dollar Tree, I also got some Irish Spring because we're out of soap and I'm gonna feel like buying those right now. Like, the prices of everything is too expensive. Like, if I go to the store right now and I buy a soap and a body wash, I'm spending $20, and that is just ridiculous to me. So Dollar Tree for the win. 2 bar Irish Spring. From Urban Behavior. Funny story. So when I was going to Cuba, ironically in the winter time, they had swimwear in the stores. If you live in Canada, you know, like, that's like weird. Like, normally we're not that lucky. We usually have to buy everything online. So they had this in this color, black, and the regular brown. And I had a purple bathing suit, but I didn't have like a purple like bathing suit like outfit in mind, so I left it. But it killed me to leave it. And I was looking at my pictures the other day and I realized I had the brown hat like this, and I was like, oh my gosh, I ordered one on Shein, but it's different. But I was still like, damn, I have one in that color. So when I went today, I seen this, and literally this was the only hat in the store, like the only sun hat in the store, and it's literally purple, and I have a purple outfit, so this is perfect. I'm so excited. I have my purple outfit, I have my purple straw bag. Honestly, I'm missing so much stuff and I need to find them because there's things from Cuba, like that I brought to Cuba that I'm not finding, and I need them for this trip. So I don't know, but anyways, love the hats, and I have a purple little straw bag that's gonna go perfect with it. And it's crazy because I took pictures in Cuba in the purple bathing suit with the bag and everything, and I was like, I never like it, but got to look too big. Everything, I was just like, this is not giving. I don't know if it was the bathing suit, like I didn't really like the cut, but it's on its way. So yeah, so I got that, and then it was buy one get 2 free on like accessories and stuff. So I walked up to the counter. I thought it was buy 2 get 1 free, and I was just like, I'm not really feeling anything in this store. But she was like, no, it's buy 1 get 2 free. So she was like, girl, I'm not even cashing you out, go and find 2 other things. And I was like, damn. Like, I walked up and down that store, but found this. I normally make like waist beads and stuff for my trip, but I'm not gonna have the time. So I thought this was cute just to have a little decoration on my waist, you know, for the time. And then I found this layering necklace set. It's 14 karat gold plated. The girl that was cashing me out was like, it doesn't change color, nothing. And shoot, I get 3 and they're free. So yeah, I'll be wearing this. Maybe. I'm not really a chainy type girl. Like, the only chains I've ever really owned were like always like real, and like I just kept them on and that was it until I like, but then I did some stupid stuff in like my early adulthood years, so I don't have them anymore. But you know, yeah, we move. Then I should have bought the bottom for this. I'm kicking myself, but I don't think I necessarily need to, because the outfit that I have that I want to wear this with, it's a shorts set, but I want to wear a bikini top as the inside shirt because, you know, you're on vacation. So yeah, I got the green, even though I really wanted the orange, but I just feel like I have a little bit too much orange in my suitcase, and I want to pick a different color. But y'all, baby, that orange and my skin, beautiful. But I'm gonna try some other colors. So I got the green, and I'm gonna wear this with a bag, and then I can finally do my get ready with me for this company. So yeah. Like, I've been away, y'all, but the emails don't stop because I got so much stuff and work and stuff that I need to be doing for people. But baby, when the vibe is just not vibing, it's just not vibing, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, I got this was $5, the hat was $12, plus again the 2 free stuff. So I got, yeah, all of that for $12, and then $5. And yeah, what else did I get? I feel like I got more, but maybe not. But anyways, that's my little collective haul from today. I'm not mad about my purchases. I'm really excited. I just needed some little accessories. So this week I gotta clean my makeup brushes, pack those in there. Well, this week, like I have any other weeks left, gotta pack that in there. I have these shirts to do. I have my hair to do. That may I start tomorrow, no cap, because I don't know, it's not looking like I'm gonna be able to do my appointments like how I want to do my appointments. I really want to do my nails on Friday or Thursday, but my nail lady does not work on Thursday. She only works on Fridays, and then Friday I'm supposed to be doing my lashes after work. You know, that's gonna be like about 2 hours, and then by the time I'm done my lashes, the nail store is basically gonna be closed. So yeah, my lash appointment I think is for 5, 6, 7. By the time I reach, it's 8. Them lock. I'm gonna out the next day, so gotta figure it out. Right now it's set for Wednesday, but then that means I just have to have my hair finished by Tuesday. I'm here thinking I could do my hair on Wednesday. So I literally have to have my hair done by Tuesday, and that's the thing. I don't want to do my hair too early out, but if it's looking like I have to do it early out, then I'm just gonna have to do it early out. I really wish I had up until maybe like Thursday to do my hair and then do my nails Friday, but I'm trying to see if this girl can squeeze me in at another time sometime this week to do my lashes. But it's not looking like it, man. Yeah, I don't know. I'll figure it out. When I figure it out, I'll come back and let y'all know how I figured it out. And yeah, but that's about it for today. Oh, I got this yesterday because believe it or not, I'm this big and I don't have one. So I got this yesterday. Just basic Jane. I'm super basic. You know what I'm saying? Super basic. But yeah, I definitely needed one, so got this yesterday. And yeah, as I said, I'm eating my dinner already. I am winding down. I just finished cleaning up the bathroom. I said let me do it from now because I'm not gonna have the time. And then Friday, probably just, you know, zhuzh it up a little bit before I go, and then call it a day. I'm not stressed about anything. It's just more so I don't want to do anything too early out. But I mean, what's 4 days if I do my hair, you know? I should have really started from today if that was the case. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna start cutting my bundles, so when I come home tomorrow, 6, 7, 8, 9, can get a good 3 hours in, 4 hours in, and then Tuesday come in and finish the rest. Just go do my nails Wednesday. Can't even do my nails Wednesday. Anyways, y'all, I'll figure it out. Hey guys, so I had to do it off camera first just to make sure, you know, but here we are so far. Hope you guys can see. I didn't even see it myself. Anyways, yeah, so that's it so far. We are 2 rows only in, and I think I counted 8 rows at the back. This is where I'm at, y'all. Perfect. Yeah. This is where it's reaching. Right, Tessa? So yeah, love it. Bye. I'll come back when I'm doing a little bit more progress. Okay, bye. My husband is cooking for me too, so ow. Hey guys, it's Wednesday. I think the last time I seen you guys was Monday. Yeah, I didn't turn on the camera at all. So, updates. I did more of my hair yesterday. My nails are done. This is what I landed on. Focus. Yay, I love them. So cute. And then I did my toes. Hold on. Ah, y'all flexible and hold on. I did my toes for us. Y'all don't mind my fan, okay? I know it needs to wipe down. Just don't come for me. Jesus. Did my toes. French tip, yeah. So that's that. Let me show you guys an update on my hair. I made a lot of progress. Yeah. So that's it up. And then y'all, like, it's not even wet yet. Oh my god. I mean, every time I wrap it, it's a lot flatter. Oh, it's tight though. I just wish I was able to finish it before I did my nails, but it is what it is. As long as everything is getting done, that's all that matters. So this is what it looks like currently. Yeah. I see it. Ooh. Yeah, this is what I wanted. I wanted more curls than braids. And again, as I said, it's not, I haven't put anything in it yet. It's not wet, it's not nothing. I've just had it up in a bun because I've had to go to work with a bun on my head and wrap up my head so I don't look too full. What time is it right now? 9:15. Yeah, I want to do like a tracker too. And then I also have an order that I need to finish, so I actually want to do that first so I can completely get that out of the way, and then work on my hair because I can go to bed at like, or I can finish at like 11. I can go to bed at like 12 o'clock, you know. So we got all of our Shein packages, thank God. And then a friend of ours came, picked them up for us so that nobody would steal our packages, because I was not about to have a Cuba part 2, and I was on Shein's customer service, baby. I was on their customer service day in, day out, baby. They're open, what is it, from 5 to 3 a.m. or 9 to 3 a.m. I don't know what it is, but best believe as soon as I woke up, I was on there. I said, can you please expedite this? That's all y'all gotta do. Ask nicely. Can you please expedite this? I am leaving on such and such date. I need this to be in the country. Boom, bam, bing. So, got literally all my stuff. I have all my swimsuits. I have all my clothes. I have all my accessories. I only just need to go and pick up a setting spray from Sephora. I still have a gift card from my birthday 2 years ago. I used it when I was going to Cuba. I bought a setting powder, and now I need a setting spray. So not a setting, yeah, a setting powder. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. And there's an oil that I want, a body oil, and the makeup palette. I'm definitely getting the palette because I just feel like I need some colors like in my looks. I feel like my looks are always just a simple nudish like pink and no baby. Y'all, this is my first vacation like with Joel. Like we've been to hotels, we've done like the all-inclusive like for 2 days or whatever, but like we're actually taking the plane together and like about to experience a whole new country together. Like this is like literally like what I prayed for, you know? Like it's so weird. Like when I was doing my hair on Monday, I had a moment. I was just like, oh, like he's here during the process of like me getting ready to like go and do something that's he's involved with. Normally like when I'm getting ready to go to Jamaica, like he's coming to pick me up at the airport in Jamaica, you know? But like we're going together. It's so crazy, but thank God. Like who could it be but God? So yeah, anyways, that's it for the updates on everything. I don't know when I'm gonna see y'all again, but whenever I see y'all again, I'll see y'all again, okay? But at least I'm updating y'all, okay? Just kidding. Hello people, just coming from work. I'm home early because Amazon was bringing my packages, and these were packages that I could not have. Battery dead. I'm gonna charge it and come back with the soon come. Hey guys, it's years later, not really, well yeah, much hours later, but anyways, here we are, day 4. This is how the hair is looking. This is where we're at for day 4. Yeah, okay, now to the good stuff. Okay, let's see, what did I pick up today? Today I got a mousse for these curls. Babe, what are these clothes on the suitcase? Okay, so yeah, I got that today. Over there, so on my suitcase. So why are they on the suitcase? Man, the laundry basket right beside of the suitcase, and instead of him put it on in the laundry basket, him rather put it on the suitcase, but mistake. Anyways, I got these passport covers. I'm going to try to customize them. Somebody had bought us like a Mr. and Mrs. one for as a wedding gift. Joel has his Mr. one, but when I put up things, I put them up and I don't know where I put mine, but I know it's here somewhere, and we have the luggage tags, so I'm gonna make us use the luggage tags. At least we'll be able to identify our luggages. But for the trip, I bought these. So I got this one to kind of go with everything that I have. My Michael Kors bag that you guys would have seen that I got for Christmas, that's basically what I'm gonna be traveling with. And the swipe is pink. My suitcase is basically pink. So I got Babe a black one, and I got mine, and I think I'm gonna put like Mr. and Mrs. on these. And I just liked it better because I like the fact that it closes, it has a little magnetic close and whatever. I will link these in my Amazon storefront. So yeah, so I said I got one for me, I got one for Babe. There's one more package coming. It's coming tomorrow. It's Babe's water shoes, because I don't know where his is. For some strange reason, I don't know where his is. I'm assuming this next package is his. I don't know why they didn't just put it in the same package. Like, Amazon, you got money to be wasting on packaging, because maybe. What is this? Ooh, okay. So I seen this TikTok. This is for you creators. I seen this TikTok. This girl was showing how she records like videos with her phone and her camera at the same time, and like I sent it today and I was like, "Day, we gotta invest in this thing." They was supposed to get it, I think, for her trip, but I don't think she ended up getting it. But anyways, this is from Newer. It's this little lever. You basically put it on your tripod and you can just open the bag. So you basically attach it to your tripod in the center here. Well, no, not in the center there. Sorry. In the center here, and then you have these two things where you can attach your phone with the little thingy and your camera as well. So I got that so that I can do both, take content for both, you know, with my phone as well as my camera. So I have stuff that I can upload to TikTok and hopefully Instagram. I'll be back by this time I post this. I'll be back, I don't know, but yeah. So I got that. And ooh, to decorate our room because it is our anniversary. Like Amazon, it's all coming to one address. You couldn't put it in the same box? I mean, I love the look of it at my door, but it's a lot. Okay, I got this contour stick from Wet n Wild. It was like $6 or something, so I'm gonna try this out, see how it works. And then yeah, I don't think I'm gonna go to Sephora tomorrow. I think I'm just gonna get like everything like drugstore because it's close by, and I kind of want to just come home after I do my lashes tomorrow. Yeah, I just want to go to Walmart. I need another pack of film for my Polaroid camera. I also might need batteries for it as well. And yeah. Oh, okay. I got my little folding fan. I'm so excited about this, you guys. Everything will be linked in my Amazon storefront, so don't you worry. But I got my little folding fan because, ooh, how does this work? Bomba! Woyoy! I feel like a good girl. Yeah, I can't turn up another dance now and go on with my things there. Oh my god. Okay, so yeah, I got that. I needed one because y'all, when Joel gets hot, y'all, he gets hot, and when I get hot, I get hot. I can't bother with the sweating. So got that. We can share that on the trip. I can't believe I'm leaving. I can't believe I'm going somewhere. And then last but not least, actually not last but not least, these are my packing cubes. I need this for my suitcase. And then, you guys, it's not a digi, but hey, oh my god, it's the Holy Stone. This was the brand that I actually liked. So yeah, I snagged this on Prime Day, baby. So yeah, big up my man and buy my drone. Right through, babe. So yeah, I'll pray that I learn how to fly it properly and I can get some, yeah, I can get some good ass content. I decided to go with a cheaper one first just because I want to learn how to really and truly fly it before I'm gonna go mash up on a really expensive one. Oh my god, I'm so excited! I'm so excited. Oh, it comes with extra propellers and everything. So that's what it looks like on the inside. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, so we got a drone, baby. We got a drone. And that's all that I got today. So came home just a while ago. I went to get some food, ate. I'm about to do something, and then I'm gonna finish one more track. I'm gonna do this one before I go to bed tonight, and then leave these four for tomorrow. I did a lot of progress today, I'm not even gonna lie. Thank god I came home early. And yeah, because I have to pack my suitcase tomorrow. I have to pack Joel's suitcase tomorrow. I also need to make our anniversary shirts. I wanted to make a new beach bag. If I'm not able to, it's fine. I'll just bring my other one. Whatever. And then, yeah. But I still need to like, oh my god, I needed to do my makeup brushes. Why am I always washing my makeup brushes last? And then I need to go to the drugstore and just pick up some last minute stuff. And that's about it. And again, we don't live too far from the airport, so yeah, but we do have to be at the airport super freaking early because our flight is at 6:15 in the morning. So we have to be at the airport at like 4 o'clock. So we have to leave here at about 3:30, 3:33. We can get away with 3:45, literally. And yeah, but we're almost there, guys. Almost there. Almost there in every aspect. I can't wait till I'm done my hair. I'm just tired of standing on my feet. My feet are killing me. Like, I can't wait for land, like the plane land. Not even the plane land. I can't wait for the plane take off. I'm gonna just take a nice little nap. I'm gonna wake up and I'm in a paradise. Yeah, man. I can't wait, man. Also did laundry today, so I gotta fold a whole bunch of clothes before I go to my bed. Be a wife, they said. Yeah? Yeah, because it's fun over here. Just kidding, I love it.